Hi, folks. My name is Rick Johnson. I'm a performance coach for ATI. Recently, I was on the West Coast doing a 20 group meeting, and we were talking, and they were asking questions like, why does one shop here have a higher ARO than the other shops? Or why does one of my service writers have a much higher average repair order than my other service writer? And then later that evening, we went out to eat in a really nice restaurant, and we're a pretty large group. They put us in the same room, but they split it with a waiter and a waitress. And I happened to be sitting on the side that the waiter was taking care of. And right next to me was the brake line, and that was where the waitress was. And I noticed right away that the gentleman was a lot faster on his feet than the gal. And he got our drink orders right away, got us our drinks right away. The other side still hadn't received their drinks. And I'm thinking, you poor souls, you just happened to sit on the wrong side of the room, you know. Finally, they get their drinks, and then out comes bread for everybody. But then pretty quick, here comes a bunch of salad for the people on the left, the people with the waitress. Nobody with the waiter had salad. And I'm sitting there going, man, I wanted salad. I like salad, you know. Out come the meals, and we're eating. And I asked my neighbor to the left, I said, how did you get a salad? And he said, well, she asked if we wanted salad. I'm going, man, I wanted salad, right? So I asked the neighbor to the right of me, I said, did he ask you if you wanted salad? And he said, no. And so on down the line we went, and turns out he hadn't asked anybody if they wanted salad. And one of the clients mentioned to me, he said, you know, I think the other side of the room spent about $300 more than we did, simply because she was, you know, better at asking what they wanted. What got me to thinking, could this be the answer? Could this be why one service writer sells more than the other? Maybe one service writer is better at asking for salad. I mean, asking for maintenance, right? So obviously we had an order taker, waiter, and the other half of the room had a great service advisor who asked for the sale. And so I want you to think about your shop and your service writer. Are they asking for sale? Are they asking for maintenance? Or are they just taking orders? Because I can tell you right there, the people that ask for the sale are going to have a higher average repair order. I hope this helps. Have a great day.